Ever looked at your garden and thought a pathway would really tie it all together? A well-placed garden pathway can elevate the aesthetic appeal of your green space while adding functionality. Well, today you're in luck. We're going to guide you on how to create your own garden pathway. The first step in creating your garden pathway is choosing the right materials. Stone, brick, gravel, and wood each have their unique appeal. Stone exudes elegance, brick longevity, gravel affordability, and wood a rustic charm. Remember, the type of material you choose should complement your garden's style and your personal taste. Now it's time to design your pathway. Consider your garden's layout and the purpose of the pathway. Is it purely functional or a decorative feature? Envision its shape, winding, straight, or perhaps a combination. A well-thought-out design makes the construction process smoother and the end result more satisfying. Once you've got your design, it's time to build your pathway. Start by marking the pathway. Next, prepare the ground. Then, carefully lay your chosen material. Finally, add finishing touches to bring it all together. And there you have it, your very own garden pathway. Creating a garden pathway isn't just about adding a walkway, it's about transforming your garden into a beautiful, inviting space. Remember, choose your materials, design, and construct your pathway with care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.